Court is set to resume hearing today a petition filed by Gitanjali J. Agnew, wife of renowned Ladakh-based climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, challenging his detention under the National Security Act. According to the cause list uploaded on the Apex Court's official website, a bench comprising Justice Arvind Kumar and N.V. Anjaria will take up the matter for hearing. The case has earlier been listed yesterday but was deferred to October 15 after senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for the petitioner, sought an adjournment. Earlier, the top court has issued notices to the Union Government, the Union Territory Administration of Ladakh and other concerned authorities seeking their responses to Agmenow's plea. Leh administration defends detention. Now, in a detailed affidavit filed before the Supreme Court, the Leh District Administration defended its decision to detain Wangchuk, asserting that the action was taken lawfully after due consideration of all relevant material. The affidavit filed by District Magistrate Romil Singh Donk maintained that the detention order dated September 26 was passed after he was satisfied and continues to be satisfied that Wangchuk's activity were prejudicial to the security of the state, maintenance of public order and essential community services. The order of detention came to be passed by the after juries considering the material placed before me as mandated under law and after arriving at a subjective satisfaction regarding the circumstances that prevailed within the local limits of the jurisdiction where Shri Sonam Wangchuk has been indulged in activities prejudicial to the security of the state, maintenance of public order and services essential to the community. Now, claims of legal detention rejection. Rejecting the petitioner's allegation that Wangchuk was illegally detained or mistreated in his custody, the administration described such claims as baseless and misleading. It stressed that all actions were carried out in strict adherence to procedural safeguards guaranteed under Article 22 of the Constitution and Section 8 of the National Security Act. According to the affidavit, Wangchuk and his family members were immediately informed about his detention and his transfer to Jodhpur Central Jail on the same day. Authorities also issued a public statement on September 26 regarding his detention. Further, the affidavit confirmed that the grounds of detention were formally communicated to Wangchuk on September 29, well within the mandatory 5-day period speculated by the NSA. It added that Wangchuk had acknowledged receipt of the documents with his signature. Therefore, all pleadings as regards the detainee or the petitioner not being informed or the order of detention under the National Security Act 1980 are completely false and misleading, the affidavit stated. Now, addressing concerns about his health, the administration informed the court that Wangchuk had been medically examined multiple times since his detention and was found to be medically and physically fit. The affidavit added that he had informed medical officers that he was not under any medication at the time. The administration also highlighted that no formal representation challenging the detention has been filed by Wangchuk himself, even though nearly 2 weeks has passed since his arrest, while his wife had written a letter addressed to the President of India. The affidavit noted that the communication was not directed to either the advisory board or any statutory authority empowered to review the detention. The affidavit concluded by asserting that all procedural requirements under the NSA had been compiled within full and within the prescribed time, and that the advisory board to review the case has already been duty constituted. The Supreme Court's decision on the matter is being closely watched as Sonam Wangchuk, widely regarded for his environmental activism and advocacy for sustainable development in Ladakh, has drawn significant public and political attention since his detention under the stringent national security law. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.